morning, guys. Today is February 25th and I'm getting ready for school. I decided to pull out my camera and maybe I'm gonna take y'all along with me today. But today I think I'm just gonna take y'all with me to school. I already got ready, like did a little bit of makeup and fixed my hair, but now I have to get dressed. And this is really random, but if you saw my last vlog, I was buying stuff for a sunflower I had to plant. I'm in a horticulture class and we had to plant a sunflower for a project. So if y'all wanted to see an update on that, I planted it about a little over a week ago. There's no sprouting. I don't really know, but I'll show you guys. It was outside, but I think it's been like really cold, so it's not sprouting at all. So I moved it in my bedroom and then I opened the blinds so that it can still get sunlight. I want it to grow. Sunflower is like my favorite flower. So I'm about to go get in my car. I'm letting it heat up because it's cold and head to school, and I'm bringing you guys with me. I'm in my car now and I'm about to leave and head to school. This morning I have a horticulture class. Then I will have a break in between this class and my second class. There's someone knocking, they're gonna see me. Because seatbelts are very important. So I don't think I can like really vlog and drive because I have to be singing music or listening to a podcast. And my most recent favorite podcast is Killer Instinct by Savannah Brimer. It's a true crime podcast, and if you're like the slightest bit interested in true crime, you will love her podcast. I've like told everyone in my life about her podcast, so you should definitely go listen to it. She doesn't know me, she has no idea I exist, but you should definitely go listen to it because it's really good and I love it, and you probably will too. I think I've almost listened to all of her podcasts and I'm sad because she only posts once a week. All this plug for Savannah Brimer, but she really is great, so I think you should go listen to her. Really need to put this camera down and drive. So I will talk to you guys when I get to school. Bye. See you later. Ew, that was gross. Me actually being mad because someone stopped at a yellow light. I made it to school. I just parked and I'm about to go walk into class. I will talk to you guys later. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm about to drive back to my apartment. I'm obviously gonna eat some lunch. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for lunch. This is a struggle for me like every day. We shall see when I get back to my apartment what I cook.
I need to quit talking, put this car in drive,
and go home. So I will see you guys later. Alright, I'm about to head to the gym. This is my outfit. I'll be back after the gym and I'll probably eat some lunch or something. I'm about to make myself some lunch. I'm just gonna heat up leftovers that I made Sunday night, I think. So I'm making me coffee. I'm gonna make iced coffee, but I have to obviously brew the coffee first. My roommate's dog is not happy because he wants to go outside and he keeps looking at all the other dogs playing outside. He's crying. You want to see him? Say hi, Goosey. Say hi. Say hi to the camera, Goosey. He's a good boy. Let me show you guys my lunch because I know you care. It's a recipe I got from Pinterest. Vegan noodles, and then there's black beans, corn, salsa, bell peppers, and onions all chopped up in there, and you use a taco seasoning packet. I can link it down below if y'all are interested. I think it's pretty good. And I don't know why, I was just like super interested to try the vegan pasta because I've always seen people talk about it, and my boyfriend recently watched like a documentary on being plant-based, and I don't know, he was really intrigued by it, and he was like, we should try to do it, or like try to inquire, trying to be fancier than I am, try to, I can't even think of the word I'm trying to say. Oh, incorporate. Try to incorporate some more vegetables and plant-based stuff to our diet. So I guess we're going to try that. Well, I'm gonna try it, see if I can do it. Hi. Hi, Goosey. My food's ready, so I'm going in the kitchen, but anyways, no, the benefits of being plant-based is like really awesome. I don't know if I could go full vegan. I really don't, but I know like being plant-based is really awesome, and that's what inspired my meal Sunday, and I like it. The pasta is not bad. Here's my lunch, all heated up, all in its glory. I'm gonna sit down, eat this, probably watch some YouTube with Goose. I'm about to watch Erin Williams. I watch Erin Williams all the time. I'm so obsessed with her. I'm obsessed with all family channels, to be honest. Actually, they just uploaded Tana Mojo's new MTV thing. I think I'm gonna watch that. I don't know. Decisions. I'm gonna watch this video and eat my lunch. But I just wanted to tell y'all what I'm obsessed with right now on YouTube. So, I'm back. I finished my lunch. And I'm about to make my iced coffee. Actually, like assemble the iced coffee. So I wanted to bring y'all on here to show you. So I have my Starbucks cup, and I poured a whole thing of coffee in there. I just spilled some, of course I did. And then I take this almond milk, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So I just pour it in here. I'm also gonna put a Splenda packet. I use a little bit of this Torani sugar-free salted caramel syrup. Always wanted to post a YouTube video. Obviously, I've always wanted a channel, and I started a channel, and I'm filming this now. And I think I'll make a video going into more detail about the whole like starting a YouTube channel for me and like why I wanted to do it. But main reason, I got so many questions on how I do my nails because I've been doing them for so long, and I did a video on how I do them, and I've been talking about making this video for like a little bit over a month now, and yeah, almost 2 months I've like made this video, and I finally finished it and edited it. But I've had like so much support from people that I like went to school with and friends of mine, and it's like crazy. I don't know, because I always thought if I made a YouTube video I wouldn't want anyone to know about it. But I guess now that I'm older, I like don't care, and I'm excited, and everyone has been so supportive and so nice about it. So I don't know, it felt good. So if you've been like supportive, or you've reached out to me, or you even watched that video or clicked on it or anything, or you subscribed, like, oh, if you were like my first five subscribers, you're the best, because you subscribed before I even had a video up. And I just think that's awesome, and I just want to say thank you so much for even clicking on the video, like let alone subscribing to me before I even had a video. And I feel like that just shows so much support and so much faith in me. So I just really want to say thank you. But yeah, so on this day that I'm filming this, February 25th, I posted my first YouTube video and made it live. So, but with that being said, I just wanted to document that because, okay guys, So I just got to school. I have to be quick because I need to like go into the building, but and I posted my video today and I'm so excited, so excited. But yeah, so I just got to class. I'm gonna go into class and then I will come back and update you guys on what I'm doing after I finish class. And then it's my test. I think that might be how it is. Like, that makes me worse. Like, that means I'm gonna have to like study my grade. I should probably keep my room clean because I know one day you're gonna barge in here without my camera and my room's gonna be dirty as shit. Hi guys. So I haven't updated you in quite some time. Anyways, the lighting in here is just weird. So I'm back. I got back from school like a few hours ago, but I've been just like talking to my roommate and we've just been like hanging out and talking. So I'm actually gonna clean my room, put on a YouTube video, probably speed this up, make a little montage of me cleaning my room. But first, the best part of cleaning your room is lighting a candle. You need to light a candle because it just creates a whole ambiance of cleaning your room. Here's my candle. It's lit. That was a bad joke. I don't know what the freak to watch. I'm about to get ready for bed and I just want to come on here and end the vlog. We did go out to dinner, but I forgot to bring my battery for my camera. I did bring my camera, but like I said, I forgot the battery. It was on the charger, so I didn't film while we were there, and it was super busy tonight. But yeah, it's our favorite sushi place and we usually go there a lot, but we haven't been there in a long time. Went tonight to celebrate me posting my first YouTube video. So yeah, that's what we did, and then we can end the vlog now because I'm about to get ready to go to bed and lay down. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like this video, and comment down below other videos you want to see. I hope you have a good night or a good day whenever you're watching this, and I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.